Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has finally been unveiled as a toned-down variant of the Galaxy S20 flagship after months of rumors. The new smartphone, also known as the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, follows a design language that matches the Galaxy S20 and Galaxy Note 20 series. It features triple rear cameras as well as a hole-punch display. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE also offers a range of color options to attract young customers. Samsung has also offered a 120Hz refresh rate on the smartphone to deliver an experience in line with the Galaxy S20 series. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes in both 4G and 5G versions. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE price will start at $699, roughly 51,400 rupees for the 5G model. There is no word on the price of the 4G model right now. The phone will be offered 6GB RAM plus 128GB, 8GB plus 128GB, and 8GB plus 256GB models. There will be 6 color options: Cloud Red, Cloud Orange, Cloud Lavender, Cloud Mint, Cloud Navy and Cloud White. Moreover, it will go on sale starting October 2 in select markets, whereas the pre-orders open later today for both 4G and 5G models of the phone. Details about the India launch of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE are yet to be revealed. For photos and videos, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE offers the triple rear camera setup that houses a 12-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.8 wide-angle lens as well as supports optical image stabilization (OIS) and dual-phase detection autofocus. You will also get a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter with an f2.2 aperture and 123-degree field of view FOV as well as an 8-megapixel telephoto shooter with an f2.0 aperture. For selfies and video chats, the Galaxy S20 FE comes with a 32-megapixel selfie camera sensor at the front, with an f2.0 lens on top. The front-facing camera also has autofocus support. That is for this video. We will catch you in the next one.